You think your gaming PC is slow, but do you know the secret to unleashing its true power? A 500% boost in performance can be yours with these 10 upgrades. First, upgrade your graphics card to a high-end model like the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080. Next, add more RAM, at least 16 gigabytes, for smoother gameplay. Increase your storage capacity with an SSD and ditch those slow hard drives. A faster CPU will also give you a performance boost, so consider upgrading to a high-end Intel Core i9 or AMD Ryzen 9 processor. Next up, upgrade your power supply to a high-wattage model, at least 650 watts, to handle the increased power requirements. Install a high-quality cooling system, like a liquid cooler, to keep your components running smoothly. Upgrade your display with a high refresh rate monitor, and invest in a good gaming mouse and keyboard. With these upgrades, you'll be dominating the competition in no time. So, are you ready to take your gaming PC to the next level? What's holding you back from upgrading your rig? Share your thoughts in the comments below.